No sliding, slipping, or losing your balance. Laguna's top PU, polyurethane, layer wicks away moisture and sweat for a balanced, controlled practice, cruelty-free, vegan, PVC-free, and free of other ozone-depleting toxins. Laguna is expertly designed and tested for optimal performance during hot yoga practices. Durable and free of flaking, tearing, and chipping. Laguna's tough PU build provides a long-lasting non-slip surface for your entire wellness routine. Laguna's design provides for the utmost comfort and control during your practice with material to encourage proper balance. Laguna measures in at 72 by 24 by 5 mm, so your movements are never restricted. Laguna is easy to keep clean and fresh for your next workout. Use a mix of gentle soap and water on any of our bright color options, wipe clean, and hang it to dry. Do not submerge. Included components. Exercise mat. Top reviews from the United States. Just what I've been looking for. I was looking for a mat that doesn't stretch and breaks when I shift poses or do certain exercises. I researched and came across Retrospec mat and ordered it, and I was not disappointed. When I got the package, I unrolled the mat right away. It didn't have the terrible smell that others mentioned in their reviews. I like the smooth and non-slip surface of the Retrospec mat. I tried different poses and exercises, and even when I use it on a carpet, it stays in place. Also, it doesn't stretch and it doesn't seem to break when I switch poses or do certain exercises. It is very easy to clean. Ordered another one for my husband because he liked it too.